Quick grammar drills, the best practices for developing your English. And today we're doing worth plus a gerund. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm David Sugarman, your English teacher, and today we're learning how to use one of the most natural English expressions, worth plus the gerund. You'll use this every day to say whether something is a good idea or a waste of time. And once you learn it, it just sticks. This is the structure. Listen carefully. It's worth plus verb-ing. It's not worth plus verb-ing. Here's an example. It's worth trying. Or in negative, it's not worth arguing. Use it to express whether an action is advisable or beneficial. Use worth plus gerund when something gives you value, benefit, or reward. The museum has free entry today. It's worth visiting. The movie got great reviews. It's what? It's worth watching. Translation idea. It makes sense. It's a good idea to do this. That's what it means. When it's not worth it, use not worth plus gerund when something takes too much effort, time, or money for too little result. For example, the queue for the new restaurant is 3 hours long. It's not worth waiting. So this means it's not a good use of your time. Let's practice and complete the sentences. At this time, get your pen and pencil and write down your answers. And then you can say your answers out loud. So I'm going to read these off to you as we go. Number 1, the food was terrible. It's not worth. We have the word go and we're saying back there. So what do you think? Write down your answer. Okay, now say your answer. Number 2, this documentary is amazing. It's worth, and we have the word watch. It's worth what? Write down your answer. And now say your answer. Number 3, the traffic is crazy. It's not worth, and we have the word drive. It's not worth drive now. Write down your answer. And now say your answer. Number 4, the exhibition looks great. It's worth verb-ing. Write down your answer. Say your answer. Well done. Let's go to the answers and see if you were right. Answers. Number 1, it's not worth going back there. Number 2, it's worth watching. Number 3, it's not worth driving now. Number 4, it's worth seeing. Remember, always use the ing form after worth. Let's go over some common mistakes and fix them. Let's see if you can fix it. It's worth to go. What's the answer? It's worth going. It's not worth to wait. You want to say it's not worth waiting. Never use to plus verb after worth. Always use ing. Again, a reminder. Worth plus verb-ing. It's a good idea or beneficial. Not worth plus verb-ing. It's a waste of time or energy. And never say worth to plus the verb. It's worth reviewing this lesson again. It will stay with you. All right, you did great today. Give a like, share this with a friend, hit the bell, and now go to davidenglish.info to practice the worth plus Gerund quiz and learn how to make better decisions in English.